Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. GPU mining is dead, right? Geek of all trades, he's the gentleman who sent me this license plate. GPU mining is dead. I love it. I love it. Anyways, my friends, I am just wanting to give you guys an update of the basement here. I have moved my evaporative cooler over here. You guys may see that it's over here now. It was normally on the ASIC side over there. I wanted to see if I could cool down this area, and it is working. I just moved it here, so the temperatures have been dropping. It was about 95 Fahrenheit over here before. Now it's about 90. So I actually just installed the hose that goes all the way to the pipe, which I installed myself. I really did not think I could be my own plumber, but I went to Home Depot, and thank you to Chump Change for giving me all the information about buying these like shark bite fittings so that I could just use PEX here and pipe it in myself. You guys can see my workmanship it was pretty easy, to be honest. So this was already here. I just added another piece of PEX and a coupler, and then a 90 and another 90 right there, and then going down here, and now I have potentially I can add another one here, because I am thinking in the future that I might add another evap cooler over there somewhere. That's down the road when summertime comes about. It was pretty easy to, cut the PEX and install the shark bite fittings. It's pretty easy. I did screw up on one of them, this hose adapter, which the other end, which goes into the shark bite here. This end here, I forgot to add in some of this stuff here. It's to just stop the leaking. I guess it was leaking hardcore when I turned it on, and so I actually had to cut it. I cut it here because I turned this too tight. I thought I would fix it just by tightening it, but so looks like I screwed myself here. I can't even take this part off anymore. So yeah, I failed on that. But thankfully I had another set that I was gonna use on this side, but I'm just using one for now anyway, so it worked out, and I have a plug on this side. So Chump Change, thanks for the info. Man, my basement is just a mess. Guys, I've let myself go, to be honest. I got stuff all over the floors. I got packages that I've been accumulating here over the past couple months. I haven't had the mental capacity to open some of this stuff. I got GPUs on the floor. I actually just got these two in, about 24 GPUs. I do have GPUs in that box, and some ASICs over there, another ASIC over there. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I think I've just kind of been overwhelmed in a way, but also just like, I feel like I'm coasting. But before I explain more of my basement here, thank you for today's video sponsor, TerraHosting.io, and also TerraHashes.com. If you guys are looking for ASIC hosting or ASIC miners, go check them out. They got amazing service. I personally have 5 of my ASIC miners hosted with Terra Hosting right now, and my uptime has been above and beyond. Thanks to Mr. Hawk Crypto Mining and also the Mining King, the gentlemen who have started Terra Hosting, as well as Vistang from GPUrisers.com. These guys have started an amazing company, and I wholeheartedly trust their service. You guys should go try them out. Also, coming up in the next month or two, their ASIC miner hosting tiers are going to be having a drop in pricing. So inquire down below to TerraHosting.io, link down below. So inquire, my friends, down below to Terra Hosting. Thank you, Hawk. Thank you, Mining King. Thank you, Vistang. You guys offer a great service. All right, so I, of course, have to give you guys an update of the 20 GPU mining rig. It's actually been mining, okay, not 20 GPUs, but I got 7 50HXs here. Okay, just a little update. I mean, nothing has changed. It's been like this for, I don't know. Has it been more than a year now since it's been 7 GPUs? I simply haven't added another 7 row here, and then like another 8. I don't know how many more to add, to get this thing to do 20 GPUs. Looks like I need to add 13 more according to the USB ports there. So this is a 20 GPU mining motherboard, but I know for a fact that I'm probably gonna have issues adding past, I'm gonna say 15 or 16 50HXs, which I will get to one day. I said I was going to, and I just keep lying to you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's just a mental capacity thing for me, okay? Like I said, I don't know what it is. I don't know why I don't have the I don't know, it's not like the motivation or discipline or just the urge to make this rig. I don't know if I can explain it to you guys. It's just, yeah, I don't think I'm probably never gonna be getting to this rig until, like, I don't know, something switches in my brain and I all of a sudden start installing GPUs on here. It's gonna happen one day. One day. Okay, as I, walk around my basement, it's just, I got little like messes everywhere from like little projects I've done. Like I still haven't like cleaned up like my Emporia system that I installed. I still have all the boxes and crap over there. I have some open air GPUs here that I haven't turned on since the Emerge essentially. But they're like 3070s, 3060s, 3060 Ti's, 3070s over there. And I actually have a bunch of like low power stuff that I've turned off that I've been wanting to just liquidate or just give away. And so as well, these CPU mining rigs here, I've had off now for the past couple months. I've talked about converting a lot of these into salad rigs, right, which I have 4 running on salad.io right now. And it's going okay, it's not the best, but to be honest with you guys, I just haven't kept up with it at all. Like I keep updating as people say it's, they needs an update, so I do that. Go into Google Remote and remote into these things, but I don't remote into these things every day. So it's like every couple days I log into them and like maybe 2 of them haven't, been mining, like they restarted or something. I did turn off Windows updates on majority of these, but honestly, I haven't really made a lot of money with these things. But that's because I think I only have 4 of them right now, which if we go over here, I actually have a bunch here that I was supposed to set up with 3090s, okay? They're like 5950Xs with, power supplies, 64 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe, and I actually have a bunch more of these frames, these test benches, right? The same ones that are right here, which I have enough hardware, which I bought enough 64 gig kits and 1 terabyte, NVMe's for these, but it's just something that I haven't made time for. So yeah, just another project which I've let through the cracks, and it's my fault, obviously. Stacks of like mining GPUs, some random GPUs, stacks of servers. I got hardware over here that I've been wanting to set up. This is the BC250. Apparently this has been decent on mining like Warthog in the past, and I think some people were mining Varus recently. Actually, Varus on CPU mining rigs, Varus coin is supposed to be decent, but who knows how long that'll last. Then my stack of boxes that I've been accumulating from various people. I am incredibly sorry for everyone who has sent me stuff, and I haven't opened them in a timely manner. I'm very sorry. I have no excuse. Just to be real with you guys, I know like doing YouTube it might be like a dream job for some of you guys, but to be honest, and I'm not trying to like complain, but it's incredibly hard to like manage everything when it comes to creating the videos, handling my social media, my emails, sponsors and whatnot, and then just like the pressure from, I guess, the community in a sense, and the comments that I read. It's just like everything comes together, and so when it comes to me trying to unbox something, or like someone sends me a new miner, like I have AL0s, KS0 Ultras, a new Jazz miner sitting there, like these types of things, I feel like nobody cares anymore. Nobody wants to see those types of content anymore. And I got plenty of other things that people have sent me, but I just haven't had the, I guess, creativity to create a video around it. So I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I have a lot of things that's just been happening around just in my basement alone, and just like in my house, and like just trying to get everything sorted out. And you guys know I'm working on the barn right now. I'm trying to get mining ready over there, but you guys can see, and I'm like not trying to complain, and I should honestly just be disciplined enough to like get this stuff up and going. But I think majority of my time has been spent just dealing with the mental hurdles that I have to go through in order to set this stuff up and like unbox it and video it, edit the video, upload it, and doing it day in and day out. I feel like it's getting to me. I don't know how to explain it to you guys, man. I feel like you guys can probably see like I'm hoarding a lot of stuff, and that's kind of like a bad sign of someone that's like I don't know, burnt out or overwhelmed, or I'm not gonna say depressed. I don't think I'm depressed. Maybe in a sense I am, because I've just been kind of like overwhelmed with, you know, I communicate with people in the community, and you know, I do my best in communicating with everyone that who message me, and I'm sorry for those that I haven't messaged back. You know, I feel super guilty about that. I feel super bad. But for me, when it comes to, you know, doing YouTube, and my whole reason for doing it was to help people. So in turn, I feel like it's limited me in a way which, you know, when someone sends me something and I haven't opened it for months, I feel extremely guilty about that. I feel like from like the outside looking in, like you guys, you know, you see me making videos, talking like this, just it feels like it might be easy for some people, right? It might be very easy, but to be honest, I have to say it's not, really. It's not, and I'm not trying to say that what I do here is incredibly easy or anyone can do it. I mean, anyone can make a YouTube channel, vlog about what they're doing, you know, their crypto mining journey. Wholeheartedly attest for anyone to go out there and start a YouTube channel and, you know, create content and, you know, document their journey, you know, document, you know, what they're mining on their crypto miners, setting up, you know, mining rigs. You know, I think all that kind of stuff is very important to the crypto mining community as a whole. And so in a way, for me personally, you guys have seen me grow in a sense that I got a lot of hardware now. I definitely have a lot of octo miners. Like I essentially have like 3 areas now that I'm GPU mining. Right, I got like an Octominer wall on one basement. I have this, you know, GPU mining Octominer wall on this side here, on this basement, and then I have the barn now, which is going to be my 3rd iteration in a sense of more GPUs over there in that location. So honestly, it kind of feels overwhelming in a sense that I don't know how I'm doing it, all this by myself. I don't think I am. Honestly, I've let things through the cracks, and it's like a lot of things through the cracks. And man, if anyone's watched this far, let's do a giveaway, because I really gotta step it up. So let's give away, what's this? This is a 1660 Ti. Okay, so anyone, just comment down below your thoughts on today's video, whatever I talked about, and if you're in USA or Canada, I will ship this out 24 hours. I will choose the winner 24 hours after this video is uploaded. If you watch this far, just comment down below your thoughts, and if you're in USA or Canada, and I'll choose the winner after 24 hours. So good luck. I also put in a RPM sticker. Anyways, guys, here's my ASIC area in the dark. I don't have the, okay, it's too dark. Okay, you guys can't see it, but I don't have any evaporative cooler cooling the ASIC area anymore. So yeah, it's been, what the temperature, you guys can't see it, but it's 83 now in this area. So the evap cooler is now on this side here, okay? And yeah, I definitely feel cool air. And you guys probably saw in the beginning, this is, I should really find a filter for the water, or I don't understand how this is accumulating this much like dirt or mold, or I don't know what this is, but it's yellow water, as you guys can see. So that's not a good sign. But winter is coming. So I've actually been, you know, thinking about some miners that I'm going to be bringing upstairs. Actually, I already have a lot of like little gold shell miners, which I've been meaning to do a video. Actually, I'm probably going to do that for the next day, talking about like these little gold shell miners. Like I got the ALBox 2 Plus here and a Mini Doge 3 Plus that has the integrated power supply unit. So this, honestly, these things, the only good reason about these is going to be used for heating. All right, or anyone that has free power, and they're not loud. So really, that's only the, I guess, 3 reasons why anyone would buy these things. They're not doing it for profitability. You know, these things aren't efficient compared to like Bitmain models, etc., etc. But yeah, I had an email about that, and it's like, Red Panda, why don't you ever talk about people who live in like condos who have free power or college dorms? So you know what? I'll do that video the next day. Anyways, guys, I think I feel kind of better now. I'm gonna start working on all the packages that people have sent me. I know a lot of people in the community have sent me banners and such, and so I'm gonna open that up. We're gonna do that in another video, and I really gotta start opening these miners, probably give them away as well, and open the GPUs that I am excited to install in the barn. I got a whole bunch of these, 24 of them. These are, I'll tell you right now, CMP 100 210s. So You guys are gonna see content on these. I'm gonna be testing them out on a singular test bench and doing hash rate videos and such on those. But yeah, guys, I guess I'm just continuing on. I don't know what else to say other than, you know, I'm just keep on keeping on type of thing, kind of mentality. And, you know, as we are hopefully coming up in the bull run here, I hope, I'm still have the mindset of just mining and accumulating and just trying to stay, you know, afloat as we go along here. So hopefully you guys are maybe doing the same, you know, mining and accumulating as much as you can. But yeah, hopefully I didn't ramble on too much about just my thoughts of how I'm currently doing. If anyone cares about that, I don't know if many of you care about that or not. But yeah, as a one-man show running a YouTube channel like this and having a lot of obligations, it definitely gets to me. But I've honestly been doing this for now like 6 or 7 years now, so I should really be used to it. But honestly, I don't think it's something that I don't think I'll ever get 100% handle on unless I hire people, which I don't want to do, and I don't want to manage people, and that's going to take me away from other things that, you know, I don't want to be taken away from. I've seen too many YouTubers who have gone the other way, you know, back down to a singular like entity, a person that works by themselves and not with others. So I think I'm a person who's kind of like that, so it's really hard for me to, you know, trust other people to do the work for me. But of course, when that happens, I have crap everywhere and I gotta clean up and projects laying down on the floor that I haven't turned on for months. And anyways, again, I'm rambling. Hopefully you've commented down below for the 1660 Ti and the RPM sticker. I'll give that away after 24 hours. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Chump change, I'm never buying this stuff ever again. It's extremely expensive. This Shark Max, a Shark Bite, I spent like 200 bucks in like fittings. It is not cheap, man. This stuff is seriously not cheap.